friends, today we will do the 8th lesson from Footprints Without Feet. The Hack Driver. The narrator of the story is a junior assistant clerk in a legal firm. He used to prepare legal brief and issue sermons to the people. Whenever he went to serve sermons to the people, strong people would beat him up. And he did not like to go because the streets were full of dust and streets were dirty. On the whole, he did not like his job. One day, he was supposed to issue a sermon to Oliver Lutkins in New Millennium Place. He goes by train to that place. After getting down from the train, he meets a hack driver. Hack driver seems to be very friendly chap. So he tells him, clerk tells him that I want to meet Oliver Lutkins because I want to issue a sermon. And hack driver says, my name is Bill and I will definitely help you to find Oliver Lutkins. I have seen him an hour ago. And I know the places where he goes about. I can definitely find you, help you in search of him. So, clerk agrees and goes in the hack. And Oliver Lutkins himself, he shows that he is not Oliver Lutkins, he is Bill. So he takes him round and round about. First he takes to Fritz shop, then Gustav shop, then finally Gray's shop. All the shops he goes and asks about Oliver Lutkins, and he comes back saying that he just left. Whenever he went to the shops, he never took the clerk, he himself went. And he told that Oliver Lutkins is not around the place. Now it's afternoon, so I don't like to eat the food in the restaurant because it's very oily, greasy. My wife prepares good food. You can pay $10 to her. And it was afternoon. The clerk, around 2 o'clock, he has to return back to the place from where he has come. This Bill, hack driver, reaches him to the station. And clerk goes without issuing a sermon to Oliver Lutkins. So when he goes back to his office, next day the chief shouts at him and says, I will send along with you another man who knows Oliver Lutkins. And again they return back to New Millennium Place. When they return back to the New Millennium Place, the clerk says, this one is Bill and yesterday he helped me a lot in search of Oliver Lutkins. And the man who came along with clerk, he says he is not Bill. He himself is Oliver Lutkins. And his mother is his own mother. So finally he issues sermon to Oliver Lutkins, who acted or who pretended to be Bill, a hack driver. He and his mother laughs at the assistant clerk because they are saying he is very small, 7 years old. This is all in this story, The Hack Driver. I will give you some questions which may help you for your exams. Who behaved friendly with the lawyer and where did he take him and why? Bill became very friendly with the lawyer and he told him that he can find him to search for Oliver Lutkins. I have seen him just, and he takes him to Fritz shop, Gustav shop, and finally he takes him to Gray's shop. What extra information did Bill give to the lawyer about Lutkins' family? During their visit through New Millennium, Bill gave many important information about Ludkin's family. Bill told that Ludkins was a very clever person and he could deceive anybody. His mother was very dangerous. She was about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. This is the entire chapter about the hack driver. I hope you understood this lesson clearly. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the way I explain. Like, share and comment. Thank you.